What's up, guys? Welcome to episode 4 of this stock market course. In this episode, I am going to explain the basics of market structure. I'm not going to go advanced, very basic. What am I going to explain? I'm going to explain the bull trend, uptrend, which includes higher highs and higher lows. I'm going to explain the bearish trend, which is a downtrend, lower lows, lower highs, and range trading. This will help identify if a stock is bullish or bearish in the long run. So I want you to start off with something like GOEV. So let's start off with this chart and let's just look at this higher on the higher time frame. So let's start spotting areas of resistance, higher highs and higher lows. So let's just look. I'm just looking at this chart. I'm looking at this chart with you guys, alright? So let's start off with higher highs. So there you go. That's your higher high. This is your higher low. This is bullish. This is an uptrend. This is higher high. This is higher low, etc. So this is essentially how it's done. Let's just make it a bit more easier to follow for you guys. Here, 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 here. Essentially, this is essentially what it is. This is your higher highs and higher lows. I hope it's not too complicated to follow, but essentially what this is, it shows you if a stock is bullish or bearish, right? The overall structure of the stock, and you can clearly see if you zoom out, let's look at the 30-minute chart, is bullish. We are on an uptrend. We haven't broken down. The stock is strong. The stock is up. The stock is up above support. There's no lower lows. The only time we went into a downtrend was over here. So I'll just show you when we did go into downtrend, but we broke this downtrend, right? And this is when we formed a new high, high, low. So let's just do it again for you guys. We started here, we got to here, we went here, we went here. I'm gonna explain to you in detail. Then we went to this high, and we came low, and then we started to form a bearish structure. However, we broke back above here, 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 and we're currently over here, right? So let's explain this. So here we've got a higher high. What this means is this is the highest point of the price currently. Then we form a higher low. This is a uptrend. We're still in an uptrend. Then we form another higher high. Higher low, higher high. Then we form a higher low. However, we form a lower high. So this high right here is lower than the previous high. You know what I mean? So look here, the higher high is higher. It gets higher, it gets higher. Here, it gets lower, then lower high, lower low, so it makes a new low. Then it makes a lower high. Then it makes a lower low. Then pushes back up. It makes a new structure. We break downtrend. So when you break this bearish downtrend, we break up, we push back down. Then we push up, so we start to make a higher high. Compared to this, look, we start to make a higher high. This is a new structure, by the way, so we're ignoring this. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. This is how the trend works in the stock market, right? It's very basic, very simple to learn. So this is currently a bullish structure right now. How will this become bearish? And what's a bearish stock? So let's just look at something bearish. What fell? I don't know. Let's say OTRK. I'm trying to find you guys a chart to help you understand a bit more on the bearish side. So this stock currently is starting to go bearish. We were bullish, so let's just start with the bullish. So I want you guys to look at it, right? So this is where we're bullish, right? We push up, we form a higher low. Then we push up, higher high. So that's your bull trend, uptrend. Then we start drawing a downtrend. And look, we go back down. From here we go down here. Like, so we start forming a lower low. Then a lower high because we can't exceed the previous high. Then we form another low just here and we start to bounce. Then we form a lower high compared to the previous high. Again here, a lower low. And then we start to break this downtrend, right? So this trend over here is bearish. And then look, and then we break downtrend. We hold here, nothing really. Then here, we've compared to this, we form a higher high, and now we're forming a higher low. So now I need to hold here, and we possibly can run into next week, right? So look, this is the higher high, and then this is higher than the high. That's what you guys need to consider. So always consider that, right? So let's just look. I'm really hope you guys understand. If you're not understanding this, just drop in the YouTube comments. I'm more than happy to help. So now let's go to another chart. I'm gonna look at this candle chart. So candle is another example of an uptrend, a bullish uptrend. So look, what do we do here? We form a higher high, higher low, higher high. That's a bullish uptrend. And then here we hold, and now we just hold in this level, right? We held this level. We haven't formed anything yet. We're not in a bearish trend just yet. But what is range trading and what's sideways trading? Trading in a range is a price fluctuate between one point and another, just like this. So when price is bouncing from here, 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 that's trading in a range. Do not enter a stock within this range. Enter it when we go at the up, high, low, here. Or if you're a short, you wait for the opposite. But you don't want to enter here. The reason why is because it's 50-50. It can go either way. Unless maybe you get entries around 2.67 and you could risk under this wick. But still, it's a lot more risky because you're trading in a tight range. So this is what range trading is. I'm going to give you another example. If there is any more examples. Trading in a range, or stock just trading in a range. Caval, AMTX. 5-minute chart. Let's look at this 5-minute chart. Is there any examples? There's no really other examples on this chart currently. Let's look at a larger cap and see if there are any examples on this chart like Amazon. Might be a lot easier for you guys to see as well. Amazon weekly chart. Because a lot of the time they show this trades. Chart like Amazon trades in a range. Like, let's look at SPY. SPY does also trade in ranges. A lot of the time you'll just see SPY just trade in one range all day. Let's just look. Oh, here's a good example of SPY trading in a range and then a breakout. Here, that's a high. Here's around this level. Price, if this is where you want to see where price bounces the most. So here, 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 here. Look, this is the range. This is trading the range. Then it breaks out. It holds. Look, retest candle, bang. So this is range trading. Range trading is when price trades fluctuate between two certain price points and it just holds the level up and down, up and down, up and down. You want to wait for the break above that, retest, entries. So currently this is a bullish uptrend. It's quite clear to see when the chart is up like that, it's bullish. It's in a bullish uptrend, right? Amazon, bullish uptrend. Look at the 30-minute chart. Right. Let's look at AMD, for example. This is more of a bearish trend. I'll show you why. Look. We're making high. Let's look at the 4-hour chart just to help you guys. Look, this is a bearish chart. We're in a wedge, but it's bearish. Like it's a bearish chart. So first we have this structure which is bullish. Low, high, bang, high, high. We break down. So this is where the lower low starts. We got a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Now we're here. You guys can quite clearly see this, right? So this is the bearish structure. And then compared to something like GOEB, this is a bullish structure. And it's very clear to see. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and higher high, and a higher low. So it's still holding trend. As long as we hold above this level here, which is the previous higher high. So as long as we hold that, we should continue. However, now if we break below here, this, that's a bearish trend. Why is this bearish? Look, we start to form a bear trend. Lower low, lower high compared to the high, lower low compared to the low, lower high, and then again lower low. So it's very simple to understand. This is just the basics behind it. So yeah, that's all it is with the basics of the market structure. I really hope you guys understood this video. Guys, hit that like button, drop a comment below. I'll catch you guys in the next YouTube video.